So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making slime, and it will be glossy slime. Glossy slime is like my favorite type of slime. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So now let's get on to the ingredients, and for the main ingredients for making the slime, you will need a bowl and something to mix with, which I chose a fork. You also need school glue, and for the activator to activate your slime, you're going to need contact solution and baking soda. Now for the simple ingredients, the ingredients that you really don't need are water, food dye, lotion, and oil. And I'm going to tell you what it does to the slime later on in the video. You're also going to need a container to obviously put in your slime. So now let's start with mixing all those ingredients together. So I'm going to start with adding some glue, and you can put as much as you want. You don't have to put a lot. And then you can mix it. I mean, you don't have to, but I just did that. Then you're gonna add in the lotion. So guys, lotion and oil, it makes your slime more glossy. So it's the key for making glossy slime. So you don't have to put, you can just put as much as you want. It doesn't have to be a lot. So then just put a few drops of oil. It's really slippery. And just mix it all very well. Just mix it very well together. Now, you can put in some water. So water makes your slime jiggly. So the more water you put in, the more jiggly it will turn out to be. So I really don't want my slime to be jiggly, so I just put a little bit in there to make it, have a better texture to it. But the more you put in, the more jiggly it will be. So just mix it all very well. So then you'll add in food dye, and I chose red because it's my favorite color, and I was really happy with the color it turned out to be. It was not red, it was kind of pinkish red. And just mix it all very well until it's all even. Just mix it, mix. Okay, now you're going to need to pay attention to this part because it's very important. So you're going to only start with 2 pinches of baking soda, and then we will put more if we need to later on, because the more you put in at once, because if you put baking soda all at once, your slime will turn out to be so hard and solid at the end. It's going to be hard to play with. So just start with 2 pinches, and then if you need more, just put in more. So then we're going to add in the contact solution, and then just mix it very well. And then we're going to repeat this process over and over until the slime is all together. So I'm just going to add baking soda again, and then I'm going to add contact solution again. But you cannot put it all at once. That's very important. Just mix it. And then add some contact solution. Okay. So after the 3rd time or the 4th time, you can then tell that the slime is all coming together and it's working. So see, it's kind of coming together now. Just keep on repeating it. So see, it's all coming together now, and it's turning into slime. Now I'm going to start working with my hands. I'm just going to start playing with it with my hands, and just don't put any more baking soda or contact solution because that's enough. So just keep on playing with it with your hands until it's not sticky anymore, and then you'll have perfect slime. Just play with it. You can see it's not sticky anymore. It's kind of sticky, but not like as it was. So it's getting better as you mix it with your hands, as you play with it. And I just love the texture, and I really enjoyed doing the slime. It was so perfect. So as you can see, we're done. And it's slime. And it's not really sticky anymore. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And